Hello, this is Praveen Kumar, Python developer. So today we are quickly going to see about what is Python, what's the importance of Python, why actually we need it. Let's go ahead.
The session, let's first understand what is Python. So Python is a high-level general-purpose programming language, a great language for beginners because of its readability and other structural elements, and designed to make it easy to understand. So don't come to a conclusion. Python is not only limited for basic usages. So in fact, some of the world's complex applications and websites are running by Python.
These are various application areas once you learn Python. So first starts with the data science. The next one is the scientific and mathematical computing, web development, gaming, testing, hacking, and so on. So once you have learned the core structure of Python, and if you come up with any particular frameworks based on your need, you can land in any of these platforms easily. So Python has a huge opening for all the domains. Let's see an example of how to write a hello world programming in different languages. So we'll just go with C and Java and then we'll compare with Python. So as you have seen, C language, minimum 6 lines of program is needed to write a hello world, and even for Java, minimum you need 5 to 6 lines to print just an hello world statement. Okay, so this is not only for C and Java, any programming language for minimum setup you need to write 6 to 7 lines of program. But when it comes to Python, just only one line print hello world. So that is very enough to print that hello world statement, and this shows like how easy Python is. So intermediate, beginner, advanced users, anyone can quickly jump into Python and start doing their customized work. It's very easy actually. Actually, Python is a developer choice. Let's see the highlights of Python, why people are migrating to Python. The first one is compatibility. What is compatibility here? When you write a code in Windows, the same code can be executed in Linux as well as Mac operating system. So that's the one of the powerful highlights of Python. The same code can be executed in all three platforms. You don't need to do a single line of changes in the code. But if you're working in the internal OS level architecture, you need to be slightly do the changes based on the need. The next one is library support. So Python has a very good library support as an open source community, providing the library support for people. Even for a small things of work, you no need to write a library. You just do a pip installation, you can import it in the header and you can start work on it. And community, Python has a huge community in the market. So people from all over the world, or millions of people are working in Python. If you have any doubts, you can post it in forum. So within a matter of 1 or 2 days, you will get back the answers from Stack Overflow, or many open source communities are available in market. So these are the reasons why people are quickly going to Python, as well as the from the first to last. The only one point is very important. Python is easy to code and easy to understand for beginners, intermediate users, as well as experienced professionals. Next is artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and IoT, Internet of Things. So these three domains are currently trending in market in IT industry. So Python has a very good support for these three of these domains. Very good library supports are available, and mathematical algorithms are readily available. You just need to import it, and we can use it for any one of these domains. According to the survey, Python developer average salary is $1,16,000 per year in USA. This is not only in USA, all over the world. Commonly, Python developers are paid hugely because of the demands in market. Recent survey from internet I have seen. So the currently most wanted language is Python among the other programming languages. So that's the main reason Python is trending in market now. So people who are new to the technology or any specific domain specific, they're quickly going for Python because of the good library support as well as community support is there. That's how Python is standing in the market alone. Using Python languages in the market. So these are the top-notch companies I have listed here who are all using Python. So for example, NASA, Google, Firefox, YouTube, Dropbox. Still, many people are using Python language for a backend purpose, as well as for computing, mathematical operations, data science, gaming, hacking, for all those purposes. So still, many companies are there. and this shows the powerful of Python language. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned here for further more videos about Python. Let's go a deep dive into Python.